Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to our yearly spring giveaway on NailArtMaddness. Before we get into the giveaway, let me go over some details real quick. Our spring giveaway begins today, Tuesday, March the 26th, and will end Saturday, April the 20th. To enter this giveaway, you must be a subscriber of my YouTube channel, and you must comment underneath this video your favorite season of the year and list why. My favorite season is spring because I love to plant flowers and start my gardening. Now, when the winner of this giveaway is chosen, I will reply to that person's comment under this video, so be sure to have your notifications turned on. Here is a disclaimer that I do ask everyone to please read. You can also find this disclaimer in the description box underneath this video as well. Okay, so I think that's it. Let's move on to the giveaway. So this year I decided to do a giveaway using chameleon gel polish. I am a super fan of using color changing gel polishes. I'm also going to be giving away a mini LED flashlight that will cure your gel polish. The first gel polish that I'm going to swatch and show you is number 5733. It's from Elite 99. The color shows a dark and light blue, so whenever it's hot and cold, it will change in between a dark and light blue color. Working with gel polish, you do want to make sure that you use thin layers. I do have to warn that my LED flashlight runs really hot, so you do want to test out your LED light before you use it on your nails. Okay, so here I am just showing the color change between the hot and the cold. The cold water makes an instant change to a very deep ocean blue. And with the warm water, you get the color change of a very light baby blue. Both colors are absolutely beautiful. I ended up using this color to do the rest of my nails in. It's a very mellow color change. It's very soft. So our next gel polish is number 5746 by Elite 99. It is also a very mellow light color changing gel polish. The color itself is like a glittery, stormy gray light blue. It's absolutely beautiful. Now this particular gel polish is a little bit thicker than the other one, so be mindful of puddling around the side of your nails and on your cuticle. Okay, so with this color change, the cold water turns the polish into a more brighter sapphire color. And the glitter just sparkles brilliantly through it. And now with the warm water, you're going to see the polish turn into a very light sky or Arctic color. Very stunning. The third gel polish in our giveaway is number 5718 by Elite 99. This one is my absolute favorite to wear during Halloween and during the spring and summer seasons. It's such a dramatic look. I absolutely love it, and I hope y'all do too. It is yellow and orange. It is such a vivid, breathtaking color change that it changes on the nail before you even cure. You have to be very confident to wear this color. As you can see here, the color change is so loud. It's almost constantly two different colors on the nail. Going into the colder water, it turns a deep, dark, fiery orange color. Absolutely beautiful to look at. And into the warm water, it's a very bright, bright yellow, almost like a neon yellow. It does settle down though after about a day or so on your nail, and the color change is just slightly a little bit more duller, but it's still very bright on the nail and the color change is definitely there. Okay, so the last gel polish in the giveaway is number 5738. It is another semi-dramatic color change gel polish. It is light and dark glittery pink. This gel polish also is very thick, so you do need to work to thin it out and watch for puddling. You can already see the color change in the nail before I even add it into the cold water. The gel polish turns into a dark ruby color and it sparkles and shines like you have a ruby on your nail. Absolutely stunning. And in the cold water, it's a mixture between a very light baby pink, bubblegum pink, and a magenta color. Very beautiful. So that is it for this year's spring giveaway on Nail Art Madness. That is all 4 chameleon colored gel polishes along with the LED light. And the LED light, you do get to pick your color. It will be shipped directly from the supplier along with the gel polishes. The only thing you do have to get for the light is the 3 AAA batteries. It does not come with that, so you will need to supply your own batteries for the LED light. So if you are the winner, when I reply back to your comment under this video, you will email me at nailartmadness@gmail.com and let me know what color flashlight you would like. I hope y'all enjoy the pictures and videos here at the end. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell for notifications so you'll be notified when I upload new content, and you'll be notified if you are the winner. I want to wish everyone good luck and happy spring, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys!